it's time to wish a very special 5-year anniversary to... Hi guys, it's Crystal, and today we have a very special 5-year anniversary duo from Painted Polish to Swatch. Congratulations on 5 awesome years, Lexi. Your stuff is actually the bomb. To start off, we have Here's to 5 Years. This is a gorgeous peridot green linear holographic with those super sexy galaxy hollow glitters in it that make it an ultra holographic. I love Lexi's ultra holographic line. I'm not even gonna lie. I have been trying to collect as many of them as possible. I have some in the old bottles. I have a ton in the new bottles. Every time I see a sale, I snag some more. There's just something about them. They're so gorgeous. And I actually brought 2 or 3 of them on vacation with me. I got my pedicure for vacation done with Hot Parisian Nights. They're just too pretty. This one goes on really amazing smooth. In one coat, it was actually almost completely opaque, but it did take 2 coats to be fully opaque. On the second coat, you can see it's gorgeous, no streaking, not pulling up any base polish, and those little just galaxy hollow glitters are popping. This is one of those polishes that actually dries shiny enough you can get away with no top coat. These photos are shown with top coat because I use top coat on all of my polishes I swatch. But for those that I know, I have a few of you that like it without, it could work without. Next up, we have Stamped in Honeydew. This is the complimentary cream of the duo, and it's actually a stamping polish. This is a perfect honeydew melon green. When I saw it in the bottle, I hadn't even looked at the name yet, and I already was like, oh, this is like a melon. And I looked at the name and I was like, it is a melon. It's literally a melon color with a melon name. This goes on completely smooth, great and opaque for me in one coat, as most stamping polishes should. I've seen a lot of people that are like, my stamping polishes take 2 or 3 coats. If your stamping polish takes 3 coats, it's probably not going to stamp, guys. This went on completely opaque in one, which I was actually super impressed with because lighter colors are usually so hard to manage just one coat with. But the formula was amazing. And here I stamped it over black. I did have a little bit of my stamping polish stick to my stamper. I had literally newly primed that stamper and it happened on the black but not on the white. So I was like, oh, I'll live with it because I'm actually going to do some nail art with this later that you guys will see later on. Anyways, now that we got all the beauty out of the way, here's for the nitty gritty. This duo is available now for $20, or you can get Here's to 5 Years individually for $12, or Stamped in Honeydew individually for $10. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I do have the blog linked in the description box with more photos and the shop link for Lexi's shop. As always though, if you like this, give it a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more fun stuff and tutorials, and I will see you guys next time.